Let's create a sign for a local burger chain. This application is an example of using FreeForm Create to create different versions. In this example, for locations that can offer unique managers specials. We need two things to get started: our master PDF, which is the static content, and our data source, which is the variable content. In the data source, I have text fields, and then I have a QR code. I've denoted this field as a barcode with a straight line and then QR code. This tells FreeForm Create what format to apply to the barcode. I also have an image, which you see in this column. There's a few ways to set up variable images. For more information, watch the simplified image setup feature video on fiery.com/freeformcreate. For this example, I defined a specific folder in Preferences, Samples, where FreeForm Create will look for any images I include in a data source. In my header, I reference ~/images. This tells FreeForm Create that my images can be found in a subfolder, Images. Then each record references a specific image. In the FreeForm Create application, choose Variable Data Document. Select the master. Then select the data source. You see my variables or columns here? Each has been classified as either a text, image, or barcode based on my data source. In the FreeForm Create app, you see my master in the design window. All the variable fields are listed in the left-hand panel. Now we just drag and drop the variable fields onto the master. Let's start with text. We'll add sandwich. Now I'll set the font attributes. Sego UI Black, 80, color of white, centered. I'll add the next field. This time I'll apply a text style that I've already set up. Styles are an easy way to quickly apply formatting. For more information on styles, view the Style Manager feature video. I'll add location and apply another style. And I'll type some custom static text in the same box as the variable field. One more text variable, internal code, and I'll apply another style. Now I'll add my variable image. Again, I'm dragging and dropping. Now I'll select these four variables and center align them. Now let's add a QR code. I want to use different colors for various parts of the QR code, and I want to have an image in the middle. To configure QR codes like this, we go back to the Style Manager. I've already set this Tasty Burger style up, but I'll show you the different elements that we can customize and save. So you see when I go back to my QR code and apply the style, the customizations are here. One more custom static text field is a call to action for this QR code, and I'll choose a style for it too. Now it's time to preview. I want to make sure the boxes for my text variables are big enough so they don't wrap. I can see immediately that the boxes are too small, so I'll go back and adjust them. Now I'll preview again. This time, I'll look at sandwich and filter by the longest record. That looks good. Now let's look at description. Again, filter on longest. Looks good here too. I save my file in the FFP or Freeform Plus format. Then I send to my Fiery server. I've already added my Fiery XF server information here. I choose my connected printer, workflow, and media. Then I send to printer. Here's my file in Fiery Command Workstation. I can open Job Editor to adjust settings as needed. I can also perform layout options like nesting. Now it's ready to print.